Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a C program to calculate the salary of an employee. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So here you can see I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the basic salary. Then here I have entered 50,000. The moment when you type 50,000 and hit enter, the program performs some calculation based on percentage and based on certain formulas and start showing you various details of employee salary. So here it first gives you the details of basic salary, which is 50,000, and then it returns you allowance details, and that gets calculated based on the 20% of basic salary, and HRA gets calculated based on 15% of the basic salary. Insurance amount will be fixed 500, and the provident fund will be calculated based on the 12% of basic salary. Then gross salary gets calculated. To calculate the gross salary, we have the formula gross equals to basic plus HRA plus DA, and then finally net salary gets calculated. To calculate the net salary, we have a formula net equals to gross minus insurance plus PF. So we will be using these two formulas to write the C program. So the program is very simple. We just need to make use of these two formulas, and we also need to know how many variables we need to declare. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm asking the user to enter the basic salary. So to store the basic salary, we need to create a variable. Let us say basic. Okay, so I will create a variable of type float. Let it be of type float. Then allowance, I need to create one more variable of type float DA. And then I am calculating HRA also in the program, so that's why I need to create one more variable with the name HRA, and I need to create one more variable with the name insurance, and I'm also calculating provident fund PF, and then gross salary gross, and I'm calculating net salary also, so I need to create a net. Okay, all of these variables will be of type float. So we understood how many variables do we need to create to write this program. So now we just need to start writing down this program. Okay, now we need to declare the variables. These are our variables. Net, so these are our variables. Next is clear screen, and next we need to ask user to enter the basic salary. So to display the message, I will use printf, and then I need to read using scanf. Okay, next I need to calculate few things like allowance. First I need to calculate DA is equals to, what is the percentage for allowance? 20% of basic into 0.20. Okay, next I need to calculate HRA. HRA is 15% of basic. HRA is equals to basic into 15%. Next I need to set the insurance amount. Insurance is equals to 500. Next I need to calculate the PF. PF is equals to 12% of basic into 0.12. Okay, now I need to calculate the gross salary. Gross is equals to basic plus HRA plus DA. Okay, next is I need to calculate the net salary. So to calculate the net salary, we have the formula here. Net is equals to gross minus insurance plus PF. Okay, we have calculated both gross and net. Now we just need to print both of these. Printf gross salary is percent. Oh yes, we have taken basic as float, so that's why we need to use percent f. Percent f slash n comma gross. Next, printf net salary is percent f backslash n and then net. Next, at the end, return 0 and then close the bracket. Okay, so this is how you can write a C program to calculate the salary of an employee. So I hope you guys have understood. This is a very simple program, and that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.